Okay, in this video I want to explain about something. Yeah, I do it my homework again. Okay, in this homework is different. A bit is different from part one. Okay, this maybe in this homework is two part. In part one, I explain about request and asking for direction and giving direction. What is so in this part is what I'm gonna say a conversation, a text conversation with my friend and with Azam and Dava. Okay, there is maybe you can check in video part 1. Okay, and there is two part. In part 2 I talk about present perfect tense. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, let's move on to the part 1 first.
One day, when Zaffa goes out to a supermarket, he met one of his friends.
Yo, Jap. Yo, bro. Hey, you know that I just moved here, right?
Yeah, what's wrong?
I'm looking for a place that sells Padang food. You know where it is?
Oh, there is one Padang food near here. You just follow the road. If you find the Sulaiman Street, is that in front of that store.
Okay, got it. Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
The next day, Zaffa met his other friend.
Hey Zav,
Yo, Zam.
do you know where the nearest Alfamart is? I want buy something.
Oh, there is one on Mayor King Street, in front of Indosement front gate.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Later that night, Dava went to Zaffa's house.
Zav.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry to disturb you, man, but this is urgent.
What's wrong?
I got an assignment due to today. Do you know where I can print my assignment?
Yeah, there is one next on store. Is on Postry Street.
Okay, thanks, man.
Ayo, no problem.
A week later, Dava went to Zaffa's house again.
Zav.
Yeah,
Hey, sorry to disturb you again, man.
no problem. What's wrong, by the way?
My dad got a flu. Do you know where the nearest pharmacy is so I can buy him a medicine?
Oh, there is nearest one. Is on Puspa Street. Puspa Negara Street is next to optic store.
Okay, thanks, man.
Yo, no problem, sir.
When Zaffa walked casually, he unexpectedly ran into Azam.
Hey, Zam. What's
Yo.
wrong? You look confused.
I'm looking for a mosque. Do you know one?
Oh, is near one here. You in Muara Street, in front of Alpha.
Can you show it for me?
Sure. I want to go there too. Let's go together.
Yo.
The next day, Zaffa see Dava pushing his motorcycle.
Hey, Dav. What's wrong?
It ran out of gas, man. You know where the gas station is?
There is near of Jagorawi Street in front of Indomaret store.
Okay. And I have a flat tire. You know where I can fix it?
The repair shop is on Highway exit on Jagorawi Street too.
Okay. Got it, man. Thanks.
Okay. Yo.
2 days later.
Jeff,
Hey, what's up, Dap?
hey, I want to pick up my friend at Nambu Station. You know where it is?
It's on Muara Street behind the ASM Mart.
Okay, thanks, man.
Yo, you're welcome. Be careful.
Yo.
So, what do you think about part 1? Yeah, when I was talking, it seemed really stiff, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, next I will explain part 2. In part 2, I want to explain about present perfect tense. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Okay, let's move on to the part 2. Hello everyone and welcome. This is a part 2 from video, and in this video I want to explain about present perfect tense. Okay, and before that, let's continue. Wait a second. Okay, this is a material what I'm gonna explain. Is first is understanding present perfect tense, and second, present perfect tense formula. Third, present perfect tense function. And fourth is example of conversation text. Okay, let's continue again. Okay, first of all, we need to understand what is present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect tense is express an action or state that began in the past and continues to the present or had an effect in the present. It's a combination of the present sentence and perfect aspect. For example, I have finished is in the present perfect tense. And if you don't understand, you can search in Google or something. It's a little explained from this video. Okay, let's continue. Okay, the next I want to explain the present perfect tense formula. Okay, first in perfect present tense formula is positive sentence. First is subject. In positive sentence, we have a subject, have or has, and past participle in verb 3. Okay, for example, I have finished my homework and she has visited Japan. Okay, maybe we can continue again in second. Okay, in second, we need I want to explain the negative sentence. Okay, for negative sentence, we have subject, has or has, have or has. I- In this negative sentence, we plus not before past participle in verb 3. Okay, for example, they have not seen the movie. For continuing, I can explain they have not have a poster. They not they have not get a free poster. Okay. Maybe I wrong. You can explain in comment. You can maybe it's that in negative wrong. You can in write in comment. Okay. Okay. Third is interrogated sentence. I'm sorry for the noisy In next, I have interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, in first we need to take have or has. But in interrogative sentence, this is a question. Yeah, in perfect present tense, this is a question. Okay, we have or has plus subject and past participle in verb 3. For example, have you eaten and has he called you? Okay, let's next. Present perfect tense function. And this in this I want to explain present perfect tense fun is function for what. Okay, first expressing in first expressing an event that has happened or has been done, then at the time the conversation is taking place there are consequences that they felt. For example, I wrote, I have swept the floor and I have paid for your mobile data. Okay. For second, function is expressing something that happened at a certain time in the past that it still relates to the present when the conversation takes place. For example, I wrote, she has lived here since 2000 and I have studied there for 3 years. Okay, maybe we next. There is so many. Oh, function 3. Talking about experience but not specifically. For example, I have never eat sushi and and I've been to Thailand 5 times. Have you ever been there? Function 4. Shows a change. Okay, for example, that I write, Korean has become one of the most popular courses at the university since the Asian Studies program were established, and my English has really improved since I moved to New Zealand. Okay, maybe you got it. Okay, let me next. Okay, in function 5, starting an achievement or result. For example, I read here, my old sister has learned how to take great picture. And another example, doctor has cured many COVID-19 patients. Okay, maybe we next function 6, expressing activities that have been done but have not been complete to date. Maybe like homework that I explained in this PowerPoint. I wrote, for example, Clara has not finished his homework yet. Maybe hasn't taken the IELT is, but this British English is very great. Nah, there is the example for function six. Maybe next. Okay, function 7. Telling about activities that occur at different time period. For example that I wrote, Rama has attacked his friend 5 times. And another example, she has applied for many job vacancies, but there is no interview call from her. Okay. Function 8. Action repeat over an unspecified period of time between the past and present. For example, I read here, Dika has visited her girlfriend in Jakarta frequently. And another example, they have eaten at that Chinese restaurant many times. Okay, maybe in example 8, I wrote, okay, let's move on. Okay, and 9 is to export an event or action that has just finished or end using the addition plus just. For example, have you just finished your exercise? Or I have just finished my task. In first example is for question, and in second is answer. Function 10. Telling something that is not important enough, or asking question or statement that the answer is not no. For example, I can write, someone has eaten my pizza. She learned and she learned roller skates. Okay, maybe that's function for present perfect tense. Okay, maybe we can move on. Oh, in the move on, this is example of conversation text about present perfect tense material. Maybe you can write, but with pause this. You can pause. Okay, I can show you. This is the conversation. In first conversation, it's about holiday. Maybe you can pause. You can read it because maybe I can see that because I have a minus. I You can write with pause. Okay, have you finished? Okay, let me move on. This is conversation two about job. With the same time, you can pause. Okay, maybe I can next. Okay. This is a third. Conversation third is about introduction. Okay, you can pause. I give you a minute. Okay, and that's the end of my PowerPoint presentation. Maybe we can move on to next area. Okay, thank you very much, guys. We can next to the next area. You enjoy my presentation in part two. Yeah, in part two it's really hard because I think about what I say. What I say, I think about my explanation too, and I hope you learning in part two because there is a conversation text and you can read it by yourself. Okay, today maybe this is my video, and thank you so much for you guys, and I hope you don't like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Maybe 2 months ago I do this homework again. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. See you next time, and sayonara. See you next time. Goodbye.